Hello there, welcome to SAS TV. So in this video we are going to learn how we can download Postman. So yeah, let's get started. To download Postman, we'll search Postman download. The first link that appears, we are going to click on that. You can get this links from the description box, or you can do it the same way I have done. So yep, let's go inside the website. So I have Windows and I have 64-bit. So I'll click download the app and select on 64. If you have 32-bit, you can select the 32 one. I'll click keep. The application should get downloaded soon. Once it's get downloaded, we will install it. Okay, so let's skip it to the part where it gets downloaded. So yep, the Postman has been downloaded. Now we'll install the exe file. So let's open it up. Okay, so it's taking some time to open. Let's wait for it. Okay, it's installing the Postman. So this is how it looks. We're not able to see it entirely. The application looks like this. Once it gets installed, we'll see how it looks like. Okay, so yes, the Postman application has popped up and it is loading. Let's give it some time. Okay, there we have it. The front screen where it says us to log into the Postman account. So if we have a Postman account, we can directly sign in, or we can sign in using Gmail or some other accounts also. For now we'll just keep it, and we'll see the interface of Postman. So I'll click this, and yeah, this is how it looks, the Postman. So if you want to create a new tab and you want to call a new API, or let's say a get API, which has, let's say, like this, http localhost, let's say 97856 slash API slash, let's say, get employees, and if you just click on send, it should directly go and fetch us the value. So this thing we'll learn when we do the coding part. That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.